Velo cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, which is genuinely critical. We here most certainly will really give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Velo. The Velo essentially has in short order acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers in every practical sense are interested in looking through the inquiries like is Velo a very wise venture, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Velo worth purchasing in 2023? What will sort of be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How in every practical sense high could Velo at any point generally go amazingly? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Velo expected development in its cost forecast. All from profound specialized examination to basic especially past cost diagrams in a very huge manner. Velo past value investigation. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Velo in a real sense is 2 cents and Velo explicitly is as of now fundamentally positioned number 522 in the whole crypto market. The flow supply of Velo is 1,229,925,310 with a market cap of $31,167,110 in most recent 24 hours. Or so they thought, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost truly has shown a decent increment of 12.56% as of now, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo is as yet confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout. The Velo is down to nearly 34.22% in the by and large most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past truly couple of days. The coin could truly areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't basically imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the for the most part current cost worth and recent days cost history, it is seen that Velo truly has expanded 83.86% in its cost esteem in a significant way. The typical sort of least cost for the 1 month generally is $0 for the most part greatest certainly normal cost was $0, in spite of mainstream thinking. This suggests that this coin really is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for especially long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 96.05% and the cost explicitly flowed from a base typical worth of $0 most extreme normal worth of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Velo truly has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market all things considered were very famous at that period, as per the essentially the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Velo especially is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, or so they generally thought. The coin truly is up by 94.48% with the truly most extreme typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 genuinely beyond 4 months. Velo value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030 we in a real sense anticipate future Velo cost expectation. Velo conjectures by applying profound certainly counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Velo, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. We do our very awesome to truly gather truly most extreme authentic information for the Velo coin which incorporate numerous variables like kind of past value, market cap, volume and certainly more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into digital money market, try to fundamentally peruse our forecasts, which really is genuinely critical. Velo value expectation for 2023 as per our figure. In 2023 the cost of Velo certainly is supposed to in every practical sense reach at any rate value level of 2 cents. The Velo cost can in every practical sense arrive at a greatest worth of 2 cents with the for the most part normal exchanging cost of 2 cents. Velo value expectation for 2024 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Velo generally is anticipated to especially reach at the very least worth of 3 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 4 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of 3 cents. Velo value gauge 2025 to 2026 the cost of Velo is anticipated to explicitly reach at a sort of least degree of 5 cents in 2025. The Velo cost can explicitly arrive at a greatest degree of 6 cents with the typical cost of 5 cents all through 2025, which is genuinely huge. The cost of Velo is anticipated to explicitly reach at the very least degree of 7 cents in 2026 in a really significant manner. The Velo cost can arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of 8 cents with the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of 7 cents all through 2026 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value expectation for 2027 Velo cost is estimate to explicitly arrive at a least degree of 10 cents in 2027, which generally is genuinely huge. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme degree of 12 cents with the typical gauge cost of 10 cents amazingly. Velo value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Velo. In 2028, the cost of Velo truly is gauged to essentially be at around an especially least worth of 15 cents, or so they for the most part thought. The Velo value worth can arrive at a limit of 18 cents with the truly normal exchanging worth of 15 cents in USD. Velo value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Velo is supposed to fundamentally reach at least degree of 21 cents in 2029. Which by and large is very huge. The Velo cost can in every practical sense arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of 0.26 with the truly normal cost of 22 cents all through 2029. Velo value expectation. Conjecture for 2030 according to the figure and profound specialized examination. In 2030 the cost of Velo generally is supposed to in a real sense reach at the very least value worth of 30 cents. The Velo cost can especially arrive at a kind of greatest value worth of 37 cents with the typical worth of 31 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Velo value expectation for 2031. The cost of Velo truly is supposed to reach at a kind of least worth of 43 cents in 2031. The Velo cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 52 cents with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost of 44 cents all through 2031. Or so they by and large thought. Velo value expectation for 2032. Velo cost is estimate to for the most part arrive at a very the least conceivable degree of 61 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme conceivable degree of 74 cents with the typical conjecture cost of 63 cents. What in a real sense is the Velo cost today? Today the cost of Velo really is 0.025 with the market cap of 31,167,110.000. In opposition to prevalent thinking, what will be the Velo most elevated anticipated cost for 2023? Essentially the most elevated estimated cost for Velo really is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a greatest worth of 2 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a quite huge manner. What will basically be the Velo sort of the greatest anticipated cost for 2024? Or so they thought. The most noteworthy gauge cost for Velo explicitly is supposed to arrive at a truly greatest worth of 2 cents toward the finish of 2024. How certainly high can Velo go? In every practical sense, normal cost of Velo could reach to 2 cents before the current year's over, which is very critical. Assuming we gauge the 5-year value, it is assessed that the coin will effectively really come to the 10 cents mark, or so they especially thought. How basically will Velo basically be worth in 2030, or so they certainly thought. As far as cost esteem, Velo truly has an exceptional potential to sort of reach new ATHs. It by and large is determined that Velo will increment in esteem amazingly, as indicated by truly numerous specialists and business examiners. Velo can raise a ruckus around town. The most elevated commonly conceivable cost of 74 cents till 2030. Is Velo a wise venture? The Velo esteem is supposed to keep on extending, as lack